Welcome to the channel. If you're using the Booking.com app and want to remove an old or unused credit card, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete a saved payment method from the app, quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, open the Booking.com app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your account section, look for an option labeled Payment Methods. Tap it to view your saved credit cards. Now find the card you want to remove from the list. Next to the card, there should be a Delete icon. Tap on it. The app will ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm. The card should now be successfully removed from your account. And that's how easy it is to delete a credit card from the Booking.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.